there, English learners. Welcome to the HZ English Pod. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. Thanks for joining us today.
You know what, Liam? I was thinking about something this morning.
Uh-oh, that's never good.
No, seriously. I realized that making friends when you're learning English can feel kind of scary.
Oh, absolutely. I get it. You want to say hi to someone, but then your brain goes completely blank.
Exactly. Or you think, what if they don't understand me?
So today, we're going to fix that problem. We're talking about how to meet new people in English, and trust me, it's way easier than you think.
Before we jump in, though, quick favor?
Hit that subscribe button. Seriously, it helps us keep making these episodes for you.
And drop a comment. Tell us where you're listening from. We love hearing from you guys.
All right, Sophie, let's do this. Where do people usually meet new friends?
Okay, so think about your normal day. Where do you go?
Coffee shops, the gym, maybe a bookstore.
Right, these are perfect places. But here's the thing, you don't need a special occasion. You can meet people literally anywhere.
Even waiting for the bus?
Even waiting for the bus. So let's paint a picture. You're at a cafe, right? You're waiting for your coffee.
My usual spot. I'm there every morning.
Someone next to you orders the same drink as you. What do?
I could say something like, good choice, that's my favorite too.
Perfect. See, that's it. You're not asking for their life story. You're just making a tiny connection.
A tiny connection. I like that.
And the beautiful thing is, if they want to talk, they will. If they're busy, they'll just smile, and that's okay too. No pressure.
Zero pressure. Okay, different scenario. You're at the gym. Oh man, the gym is tough for me.
Why?
I don't know, everyone's focused on their workout. I feel like I'd be interrupting.
But what if someone needs help? Like maybe they're looking for a piece of equipment?
Oh, then I could say, are you looking for the 5-pound weights? They're over there.
Boom. Conversation started. You helped them and you were friendly.
That's actually really natural.
It is, because you're solving a problem, not forcing a conversation.
Okay, but Sophie, let's be real. The hardest part is the very first moment.
The first words?
Yeah, like do I just walk up and say hello? That feels weird.
It doesn't have to be weird. The secret is to comment on the situation around you.
The situation?
Yes, let's say you're at a concert. Someone's standing next to you.
Okay, I'm at a concert.
You could turn and say, have you seen this band before?
Oh, that's easy. I'm just asking a question.
Exactly. Or at a supermarket, if someone's looking at mangoes, you could say, do you know how to pick a good one? I never know.
I actually don't know how to pick mangoes.
See, it's honest. It's real. People respond to that.
What about at a party? That's where I really freeze up.
Parties are actually easier because everyone expects to talk.
Really?
Yeah, you can walk up to someone and say, hi, how do you know Emma, if Emma's the host?
Oh, so I'm asking about the connection.
Right. Or you can just say, I love your jacket. Where'd you get it?
A compliment?
Compliments are magic, Liam. People love them.
All right, so I've said hello. I've asked a question. Now what?
Now you listen.
Just listen?
Listen and be curious. If they say, oh, I got this jacket in Tokyo, don't just say, cool, and walk away.
What should I say?
Ask more. Oh, wow, have you been to Tokyo? What was it like?
So I'm showing I'm interested.
Exactly. People can tell when you actually care about what they're saying.
What if I run out of questions?
Then share something about yourself. It's like a ping pong game.
Back and forth?
Yep. They say something, you respond. You say something, they respond.
Okay, give me an example.
Sure. Let's say someone says, I just started learning guitar.
I could say, that's awesome. I've always wanted to learn an instrument. Is it hard?
Perfect. You complimented them, related it to yourself, and asked a follow-up question.
3 things in one sentence?
You're getting good at this.
But Sophie, let's talk about the elephant in the room.
What elephant?
Awkward silences. They happen.
Oh yeah, they totally happen. But here's the thing, silence isn't the enemy.
It's not?
Nope. Sometimes people just need a second to think. Don't panic and fill every gap.
But what if it's like super awkward?
Then you can use what I call escape phrases.
Escape phrases?
Yeah, like, well, it was really nice talking to you, or I should probably get going, but this was fun.
Oh, so I can leave politely.
Absolutely, you're not stuck forever. But here's another trick. If you like the person and want to keep talking, change the topic.
How?
By the way, have you tried the coffee here? Or, oh, I meant to ask, do you live nearby?
Just switch gears?
Exactly. It's like hitting refresh.
Can we talk about body language? Because I think I messed this up.
What do you mean?
Like, I don't know where to look. Do I stare at them? Do I look away?
Okay, here's the rule. Look at their eyes when they're talking, but it's okay to look away sometimes too.
So not a staring contest.
Definitely not a staring contest. Just natural eye contact.
And what about smiling?
Always smile, even if you're nervous. A smile makes you look friendly.
What if I'm terrible at smiling?
Just think of something that makes you happy. It'll show on your face.
That's actually good advice.
And stand up straight. Don't slouch. It shows confidence.
Even if I'm not confident?
Fake it till you make it, my friend.
Sophie, I have a confession.
What?
Sometimes when native speakers talk, they sound like auctioneers.
Like super fast?
Yeah, I'm like, wait, what did you just say?
Okay, this is important. It's completely okay to ask them to slow down.
Really? They won't think I'm dumb?
Not at all. Just say, sorry, I'm still learning English. Could you speak a bit slower?
That's it?
That's it. Most people will actually think it's cool that you're learning.
And if I didn't understand something?
Say, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it?
I didn't catch that. I like that phrase. These phrases are lifesavers.
Okay, so you had a great conversation. Now what?
Now what?
Do you want to see this person again?
Let's say yes.
Then you need to exchange contact information.
Like phone numbers?
Phone numbers, Instagram, whatever works. But here's how you ask.
I'm listening.
Say something like, hey, this was really fun. Do you want to grab coffee sometime?
Just like that?
Just like that. Or, we should hang out again. Are you on Instagram?
That's not pushy.
Not if you say it naturally. You're not proposing marriage, Liam. You're just saying you enjoyed their company.
Okay, fair point.
And if they seem hesitant, that's okay. Just smile and say, no worries, it was nice meeting you.
Don't force it.
Never force it.
You know what I just realized?
What?
We've been talking for a while, and this all sounds doable.
It is doable. The only way to get better is to practice.
Practice talking to strangers?
Yes, start small. Say hi to the cashier. Comment on the weather to someone in an elevator.
Baby steps?
Exactly. You don't have to make a best friend every day. Just get comfortable with small interactions.
That actually takes the pressure off.
And remember, every person you talk to is practice. Even if it's awkward, you're learning.
I like that mindset.
All right, Liam, let's wrap this up. What did we learn today?
We learned that meeting people doesn't have to be scary.
Right. Start with a simple comment or question about the situation.
Listen more than you talk.
Be curious about the other person.
Don't panic during silences.
And it's totally okay to ask people to speak slower.
Oh, and smile. Body language matters.
If you like someone, exchange contact info. Keep it simple.
And practice, practice, practice.
You got it. Now we want to hear from you.
Yeah, leave us a comment. Tell us what's the hardest part about meeting new people for you.
Or share a success story. Did you make a new friend recently?
Write it in English. Don't worry about mistakes. We want to hear from you.
And if this episode helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to the HZ English Pod.
Yeah, share it with a friend who's also learning English. They'll thank you later.
All right, friends, get out there and start conversations.
You've got this. We believe in you.
Until next time, keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.